Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
All right, if you've never seen this, this is what a lot of folks down in the desert Southwest have to deal with during the monsoon season. That's basically when the thunderstorms start to fire up, and as you might expect, being in the desert, kicks in the sand. This is an amazing panoramic shot from Phoenix, a sandstorm, or, this is for Matt, a haboob, which is officially what it's called. Took estimates more than about a mile away from the storm of the folks that were taking these amazing shots here. And the particular sandstorm is called a haboob, as I mentioned, because it's associated with a monsoon, which is the monsoonal changing of the winds when they start to pull in all the moisture off of the Mexican plateau and the Pacific Ocean, as opposed to the dry rest of the year that the Southwest sees. So pretty amazing stuff, as you might expect. Not only with the sandstorm, with that came pretty good strong thunderstorms moving through as well. Not the case for us here across the Northwest, but pretty quiet most of the day today. Very warm across the southern Willamette Valley. As soon as we got the little bit of cloud cover this morning to clear, it was off to the races, and temperatures were quickly back into the mid-80s. A little bit of cumulus up across the Cascade Crest right now. Most of the activity, as you can tell from the visual satellite here, continues to push from south to north, just offshore. That is a, we'll call it a front, but it's basically just a batch of moisture that continues to get stretched out north to south. And there's no low driving in behind this, although we're watching a little localized one trying to develop. Keep our eye on that one. It may try to kick some of those showers inland, and by inland I mean along the coast, for the rest of the night tonight. Otherwise, we'll keep things fairly light. Southwest winds above the surface are going to keep that kind of muggy air mass over top. Dew points will generally stay in the 50s and some 60s in spots, so it is going to be fairly kind of soupy out there for most of the night tonight, and I think probably in the next couple of days as well. Temperatures along the coast sitting in the mid to low 60s, anywhere from Coos Bay as you get up towards Newport. No record-setting temperatures in Coos Bay and North Bend today. They actually had a little more cloud cover. Low 80s down towards Winchester and Roseburg right now. Sitting across parts of Eugene and Springfield area around mid-80s, 77 up to Corvallis, around 70 as you get up towards the Santiam Pass, and 83 out in Bend. So again, here's the wider snapshot with this. There's our weak front sitting offshore that continues to push most of the moisture northward. Now, why can't any of this move inland? Because we've got a big blocking area of high pressure. I mean, just a massive ridge in the higher parts of the atmosphere that is pushing back against that. This is winning out right now, but eventually this will start to break down just a bit and push off to the east, and that will allow these lows to get a little closer to us and eventually start to push some of that moisture in, but probably not until we head in towards Thursday's forecast and then again late into the weekend. So let's break it all down for the next couple of days. Cloudy inland overnight tonight with a chance for some coastal showers. We'll be warm again Wednesday, but then I do think we'll get a couple of little disturbances that'll kick back some showers for even folks in the valley on Thursday. But right now, the good news is Friday and Saturday, those rain chances back off, and then Sunday, we'll start to see that move in. So all the folks headed into Autzen to gassed at the new waterfall that they have on the north side of the complex there. Should be good-looking weather for Saturday's game. Beavers as well up at Reese. So we'll get into those in Wednesday and Thursday's forecast. So for the next couple of days, a slight chance for a shower at the coast Wednesday and Thursday, and then it will get a little more widespread as we go to Sunday and Monday. In the Umpqua Basin, a sunny afternoon again after a foggy start. The high clouds will be back by late afternoon, and then cooling off just a bit. And could see a slight chance for a shower late Sunday, but better isolated chances on Monday. In the Cascades, mostly sunny skies with temperatures in the low 70s. We'll see the cumulus build up on the west side of Bend and Redmond again for this tomorrow afternoon, I should say. More clouds moving in, and then I do think we'll see some thunderstorms starting to flare up Sunday and Monday. And finally, in the valley, a partly sunny afternoon, another toasty one, though. And the winds above the surface skies, as I said, out of the southwest. So that's going to keep a lot of moisture around. Could see a slight chance for a shower Thursday afternoon, but otherwise we'll have to wait till later on Sunday. So that means game day, dry, dry, dry. Friday and Saturday.
We can wait.
Yeah.
Yes, we can. All right, it's time for